Hey guys, we're going to be going on a little bit of a makeup journey today, so stay tuned.
What is up, party people? You are watching Alec Artist's official YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on my everyday look if I need to leave the house and not look like a troll doll. And honestly, I do wear a little bit or a lot more than the regular person running out the door, but I like makeup, so that is why I wear makeup. So here we go.
Holy macaroni, that's my face. Okay, so I really like these face wipes. They're my favorite in the world. This is me wiping my face, looking good. I also really like this moisturizer. Yes, work it, girl, rub that in. I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I basically just kind of drench my face in it, and it works pretty well. I love this stuff. So here I go, caking it on. Yes, girl, get that on. Some on my eyeballs. Yeah, rub it in, girl. Yeah, get those crusties out. No time for that crusty. I use the Kat Von D foundation. I've used this stuff since I was in high school. It is very full coverage, but your girl got a lot of freckles, so I gotta cover that jazz up. I will admit this color is a little bit darker than my skin tone. When I purchased it, I was a little bit tanner, but I don't really mind it because it gives me just some extra color in my face once I have it blended out. After finishing up my foundation, I like to put a little bit of banana powder just to kind of set my foundation into my skin. Then I apply a little bit more concealer under my eyes just to make sure my eyes are looking as bright as possible, because let's be real, your girl does not get very much sleep. After that, I do like to apply a little bit of bronzer to both sides of my cheeks, under the hollows of my cheekbones, just to make it look like I got some real nice high cheekbones. Add some to that forehead and make it look like I don't got a 5-finger forehead, and makeup comes to the rescue. Here, I'm just going along my nose to kind of contour it a little bit, try to pray to God I end up looking like Kylie Jenner, and we roll with it. After that, I add some banana powder underneath my eyes just to set in the concealer and everything and kind of really make my cheekbones stand out a little bit more. Then I add some banana powder to my eyes before I get ready to apply some eyeshadow. I actually have no idea what's happening here. I think I'm having an aneurysm. I'm not really sure. Okay, here we go. On to the goods. We are doing some eyebrows now. I'm going to attempt to make my eyebrows look not like a massacred wreck. So I'm just going to go along the outside of my eyebrows, kind of fill them in, make a little outline, and then go back in and kind of blend it out. I use the Anastasia Brow Dip Pomade, and I think I use the medium shade. This stuff does work wonders, but I do recommend using some powder if you're kind of giving your eyebrows a first go, because it can get a little bit tricky. Now here I use some concealer and a Q-tip to clean up my brows because I'm too cheap for an actual tool. Not getting too crazy with the eyeshadow, just a little bit of one of Kylie Jenner's eyeshadows in a brown to spice up my everyday look. Yes, what a multitasker. Woo! I'm not sure how they continue to allow me to live on planet Earth, because what is this? Fantastic footage. Truly inspiring. With my eyelashes, they have their whole little unique technique. I just kind of rub my eyelashes back and forth upward to get more length and volume. Adding just some finishing touches here. That highlight gotta be poppin'. Yes, work it. I will drop in the comments below which products I use because I cannot remember which highlight I use right now. Lastly, I use the De-Slick Urban Decay setting spray. Spray it all over my face to set my makeup. And there you have it, folks.
This is kind of like the finished look. This is what I like to wear. My eyeshadow. Okay, all right, girl, yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so y'all can see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later.